Hello everyone, Max with A1 Website Pro, and today we're going to be talking about changing the file permissions on your folders because many times people get failed to insert media from their WordPress. Well, this is an easy fix and I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do it like if you're in your C panel and you have your list of folders. What you want to do is you want to right click over the folders and then click change mode, your rights or your file permissions, and you're going to want to make sure it's 755. That means the owner would have all privileges, the group would have write and execute privileges, and the public would have write and execute privileges. Okay? And you also want to make sure that you recurse into the subdirectories whenever you set these files, and then you click save. Okay? Now mine are already set that way. Now let me show you how to do it in FileZilla real quick. I'll bring over my FileZilla program. So once you connect to your host, what you want to do is you go on and navigate to these folders. Now the WP admin, WP content, and WP includes should all have these file permissions. So you just right click, select file permissions just like that, and make sure that they are 755. Once again, the owner permissions has read, write, and execute permissions. The group permissions are read and execute. Public permissions are read and execute. Okay, so that's what you want to have on your file permissions. Now, what about the folders within your file? So if we double click on WP content, and there's all these folders should have the 755. So plugins, if you need to set those permissions, you could set them. And if you do this recurse into subdirectories and apply it to all the files and directories, you only want to apply it to the directories only, because let me show you why. The index and all the .php files that you have in WordPress, if you go to file permissions, they need to have 644 permissions. The owner, of course, would be able to read, write. The group permissions is just read, and the public permissions are just read. But that's what you want, 644 for all the files. So there's two things you got to remember. In the folders, it's 755. With the files within WordPress, it's 644. Unless you get to your htaccess file. Now, your htaccess file has a different set of permissions. Let me show you what they are. Oh, I'm sorry, I stand corrected. They are 644. Okay, this is Max with A1 Website Pro. I hope this video showed you how you can change the directory and file permissions on your server. If you have any problems with, you need to connect to an FTP server whenever you're trying to upload, install a plugin or a theme, or possibly upload some form of media like graphics, images, a PDF file. If you're getting that error, then now you know what to do to change it. This is Max with A1 Website Pro. I hope this video has helped somebody out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.